mga ka-MG, it's me again, Grace. And sa aming last video, we showed you the different things na pinapalitan sa PMS process. And for today's video naman, we will tell different reasons kung bakit napakahalaga ng PMS sa sasakyan. First, to save money. Yes, you can save a lot of money by just doing the PMS. Ang Preventive Maintenance Schedule or PMS for short ay ang regular maintenance schedule ng vehicle to maintain it in its good condition. PMS is like prevention is better than cure. Ang dealer o ang mechanic ang parang doktor ng inyong vehicle. They will advise regular preventive car maintenance that can benefit you and your vehicle in the long run. Mas less ang expenses kung regular ang PMS kumpara sa bibili ka ng bagong part as replacement doon sa damaged part dahil napabayaan ng inyong sasakyan. You can save more money by following your vehicle's routine maintenance rather than neglecting it and cost you more considerable expenses, which is ayaw nating mangyari. Next, for safety. The more you maintain your car, the more safe you will be on the road. Maaaring ma-prevent nito ang mga possible damages na mangyari, lalo na kapag nasa daan. While by constantly maintaining your car and checking the systems that might malfunction, you will eliminate the risk of dealing with a malfunctioning vehicle. Next, keep car running in peak condition. So aside from increasing safety, regular maintenance will also enhance your car's performance. You can get better traction on your tires, more stable steering, and even more reliable engine starters. Next, you can avoid serious damage. Yes, so sa PMS, you can save money, increase safety, and you can avoid serious damage. Ang PMS ay hindi lang about sa pag-replace ng oil, filters, spark plugs, or even brake pads. Dito rin nadidetect ng mechanic ang other possible problems ng inyong vehicle. Maaring may minor problem na ito at hindi lang ninyo napapansin, while a trained mechanic can spot the issue while it's still minor and it's easy to fix pa at mapiprevent nito ang komplikadong sira. Next, improve gas mileage. If you skip your PMS appointment, hindi mapapalitan ng oil, filters, and other for replacement parts at kapag hindi ito napalitan, maapektuhan ng iyong gas mileage. It might go down quite a bit and wear off the engine. So it also means that you will have to fill up your gas tank more often, which eats up more time and money when going to gas stations. So make sure you are staying on schedule with your vehicle maintenance to avoid this. Next, save time and effort. By staying on the maintenance schedule, you will be preventing other risky issues that could prevent your car from operating. It can affect your work or your supposed gala with family or friends. Like for example, you get a huge repair issue, so kailangan paayos ang vehicle at maaaring magtagal ito ng ilang araw or ng ilang linggo or even months. And this depends on your repair issue and parts availability. And we don't want that kind of hassle, so better stick to your maintenance schedule. Next, longer lifespan ng vehicle. Just like people, cars have life. If you take good care of it, it won't give you any problems. Mapapanatili ang healthy condition ng sasakyan kapag tama ang pag-aalaga at regular ang maintenance schedule. Take care of it so it can take you to farther places without it giving up on you on the way. Well, sana all hindi gina-give up. Next, retain more value. Well, kung plano mong ibenta ang iyong sasakyan in the future, it is important to keep up with your vehicle's maintenance. Di lang nito mapapanatili ang good running condition ng inyong sasakyan, mariretain din nito ang value. Well, people will naturally pay more for a vehicle that is well maintained. Next, you will get peace of mind. It is better to ride a safe car that is well maintained. Kapag inalagaan mong mabuti ang iyong vehicle, you can drive it with confidence and safety. Always remember guys that preventive maintenance should be taken seriously. Just like your regular visit sa doctor, nakadepende ang lifespan ng car sa pag-aalaga mo. So keep up with the schedule. Well, it is not late to start taking good care of your vehicle. And it is going to be super easy. Barely an inconvenience. Alright.